Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and welcome to Market Updates and MarketSmith Portfolio Review. In this video, I will provide a concise recap of last week's market performance along with the key highlights from our MarketSmith portfolio. I will also take you through the latest moves in our model portfolio and spotlight the trends and stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver clear, practical insights that are easy to understand, whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out, so you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and first of all, I would like to provide an update on the market status as per O'Neill methodology. On July 18th, the market status has been downgraded to obtain under pressure as Nifty breached its 50 DMA and distribution day number has increased to 5 on that point of time, which has indicated selling pressure and volatility in the market. Now the distribution day has reduced to 4, and so far as Market Smith portfolio is concerned, we are holding 23 stocks in our model portfolio. Including yesterday, we have added two stocks in the model portfolio from Chemical Specialty 1 and the Auto Truck Replace Parts 1 stock from that. So altogether, we are holding 23 stocks. So we can see like Nifty from the past few days, especially on 18th of August, it has shown resilience. And after GST reform hopes that has happened on 15th August, then we have seen that the market has witnessed gap up opening, and even the rating upgrades, especially S&P Global recent revision of India's credit outlook has also boosted investors' confidence. Even geopolitical tension that was hovering around easing of geopolitical tension has also a hope for the positive market outlook that we can see here on the chart as well. So if you look at the Nifty chart, so after breaching its 50 DMA, we have moved the index to obtain under pressure, and it was actually trading with downward movement. We can see it here, but here this color line, the color of line is green. That is 100 DMA. That in 100 DMA, it was actually hovering around that, and it was almost looking like it might retest its 200 DMA, but it has not happened like that. And from here the index has shown resilience, and we have seen the buying interest has emerged. And from 13th August, we have seen that market has closed on positive note on Wednesday, followed by even Thursday. And when Friday market was closed because of Independence Day and the announcement by our honorable Prime Minister regarding GST reform, that has also brought investor sentiment positive. And we have seen that gap up opening has taken place on August 18. In that process, it has actually reclaimed straight away as 21 DMA. And now from the past 3 days, we can see it here like 50 DMA is acting as a resistance. And if that resistance is surpassed, then obviously we can see that index towards 25,100 followed by 25,200. But as of now, it is actually acting as a resistance. It's 50 DMA. So this is the level to watch, and in the downside, 100 DMA is placed around 25,000, sorry, 24,600, which is just 1.35%. So either side move is possible, but looking at the current scenario, we hope that index might move above its 50 DMA. So let's watch out. So at this current juncture, we are also monitoring some of the stocks like Polycab, TD Power, Sunflag, Iron Steel shares, even Apollo Hospital, Grand Pharma, and Rainbow Lemon Tree, Clark's services. So I would just like to discuss one by one in a very brief manner so that it should not take much of your time. So this is the daily chart of Polycab, the stock which our analysts are monitoring it very closely. So the stock is showing resilience, and it has witnessed buying interest from the lower level. If you look at the lower level that has been established here on April 17th, April 7, 2025, and we have seen that a great rally has taken place, but still it is actually trying to move upside, and it is in our radar. So let's see when we'll add it or we'll add it or not. Obviously, we'll come to know through our email. So overall setup of this stock is looking positive. There is no weakness so far. It is trending in the bullish trend, trending above its all key moving average, and breakout has also taken place. So we are actually monitoring it very closely and looking for the opportunity. The next stock is TD Power System. So TD Power System is also trading in the consolidation phase from the past 5 weeks, we can say, and a stock is still not given the stock has still not given the breakout. It is 6% to the pivot level. And if you look at the price action is actually positive. It has APS strength of 94, buyer demand of B, and RS line is also RS rating is improved, and RS line is also increasing higher, which is actually positive. So let's watch out for this stock. The next stock is Sunflag. Sunflag is also trading with we can say flat base pattern, and it is 5% to the pivot level. But EPS strength is not looking that great. It is 55. So obviously we look for next quarter improvement in its fundamentals and whether the EPS is getting improved or not. So we have to watch this stock as well. So the next stock is Apollo Hospital Enterprise. So Apollo Hospital has given the breakout when it has opened gap up here and on 13th of August, and it is still trading with a positive bias with no sign of weakness. APS strength is 92 and buyer demand is A. Its RS line is rising. So overall setup of this stock is looking great. The next stock is Gland Pharma. So Gland Pharma is actually trading with we can say consolidation phase after hitting its recent high here, and the stock has witnessed again selling pressure or we can say profit booking. Again here in this case as well, the EPS strength is not looking that great. Okay, we have to wait for the improvement in the in fundamental. The next stock is Rainbow. Rainbow is looking technically attractive, and after having its 200 DMA retest here on August 8th, the stock has shown resilience and witnessed buying interest, and it has actually trying to move upside. It is 8% to the pivot. Overall technical setup is looking attractive. APS strength is 90, buyer demand is B plus. RS line is rising gradually. So overall setup of the stock is looking positive. The next stock is Lemon Tree. Lemon Tree is also trading with in consolidation based pattern almost from past few weeks, and it has also it is on the verge of giving the breakout. The stock is 6% away to the pivot level. And if you look at the volume part, so we if you look at the volume on 18th of August, it has came with above average volume. So let's monitor the stock very carefully, and we have to monitor it with great approach. Whether we can add in our model portfolio, it is a matter of time. Obviously, we'll be aware of it through our email. The next stock is eClerx. eClerx Services, if you look at the setup of the stock has given breakout and it is trading above the breakout level still. It is holding its 21 DMA. Overall setup of the stock is positive. It is 5% from the pivot level in 20 days. It has EPS strength of 87, buyer demand of A. It has price strength of 87 again. So overall technical setup and parameters is looking attractive. The next stock is Lal Path Lab. So Lal Path Lab is forming about to give the breakout. It is actually trading the stock with very long consolidation. We can say almost almost a few months, and it has not given the breakout, and it is just 5% to the pivot level. So we are monitoring these stocks very closely. If you look at its APS strength is 84, buyer demand is A, and group rank also is 14. That is great. RS line is rising gradually. So these are the certain stocks. Apart from many more, we have I chose some of the stocks from our basket to show in front of you. And now I would like to talk about our O'Neill market view that we send it every day. So in this O'Neill market overview, it offers a fast snapshot of global market uh, measure indices, even sectoral trends, and O'Neill industry group analysis, plus key stocks in our radar. Perfect for both active traders and long-term investors looking for timely research-backed insight. So in this, you can have overall global market view. If you scroll it down, we can see the stocks from the particular sectors for particular industry, and everything is there. Even the stock which is actually outperforming or which is looking attractive, it is also mentioned. Once you have to just open it, once you will enter the stock name, it will just I will just show it to you once. So it will open the stock's name. So it is very meaningful and it is very useful. So now I would like to talk about investors action plan. So as we are in the confirm up, we are in uptrend under pressure. So it signals a potential weakness. The market is still trending upward, but showing warning signs like distribution days, heavy selling by institutions. Investors should be cautious as the uptrend may be losing steam. So we have to focus on fundamentally strong stocks breaking out of sound patterns. So try to check out the stocks our analysts are watching now. Increase exposure as long as market and your stock continues to show strength. Our analyst highlights any major shift in the trend in our daily market commentaries. Stay disciplined and follow proper buy and sell rules. So that is a wrap for the market updates. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching the video.